its algorithm to find the all players all pairs shortest path. The objective is to write a program to implement Floyd's algorithm for finding all pairs shortest path in a graph. Uh, Suppose if a graph has four vertices, with for that four vertices we have to find the shortest path from to go to approach each vertices. This Floyd's algorithm can be done in using dynamic approach and grid approach. But in in this video we're going to see dynamic approach. At the first, the output mean the matrix will be we the graph is assigned as a graph. Graph is assigned into a matrix. Then we are update the values of vertices in intermediate using an intermediate vectors k, and we are updating into the original matrix by one by one. The time complexity of an algorithm is v3, n square. How many loops of there? Then that is the n cube. Sorry, n cube is then time complexity of an algorithm. Here v is the number of vertices in the graph. Okay. Here we initialize the solution of a matrix as an input of the graph at the first step. Then we update the solution of it by considering the intermediate vertex of 1 and 2. Then we find the which part which path is minimum value. Then we update into the cost matrix. This is the formula we are using to find the minimum one. Let's get into the example. Here this is an one graph. Here 1 and 2 as an this is an graph. Here 1 and 2 is an one and 2 as a two vertices. In the two edges are there, and 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. We have to find the best edge passing from each path in each vertex. For in one edge, two second edge, and third edge, fourth edge, there are 2 3 4 are connecting to that, and 1 2 3 4 are connecting to them. 1 2 3 is connecting to them, and this is an adjacency matrix of this graph. uh, we have to find the uh, from 1 to 2 using 3. We can from 1 there are 3 outgoing edges are 2 and 3 and 4, and from 2 1 3 and 4, and 3 1 2 4, and 4 1 2 and 3. From that we have to find the there is no edge between 1 and 3. When we have to find an and we have to find the shortest path to get into 1 and 3. So here 1 and 3 has a no edge. This is infinity because there is no edge. So by this Floyd's algorithm we are finding the edge between 1 and 3 using the shortest path. There is a 1 and 3 we can find by using 1 4 3 or 1 2 3. 7 plus again, and 4 to 1 there is no path, and from 1 and 1 and 3 there is only path between 8 and 2. So we are finding 8 plus 2 9. 9 is updated when there is a resultant matrix. Let's get into the code. Let's get into that. For first here how many edges are there? That many iterations are we are finding. We are doing, and a1 is for one a1 is for 1. Here the corresponding row and column of first edge is should be as same as edges a0 a0, and here 2 and 3 2 and 3 we have to find we have to keep same as here. These two first row and first column we have to keep it as a0, and when we have to find this one and this 4 this one this one and this one and this we have to find couple of vertices of this matrix. And for 2 and 3 there is no edge. There is no edge in resultant 213 is 2, but we have to override that. For that we are using 213. We are introducing one edge one in middle, so that 2 2 3 has a value of 2, and after introducing 1, then 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 3. 2 comma 1 is 8, and 1 comma 3 is there is no 8, so it's infinity. To the minimum value of them both is 2, and same as well as 2 comma 4, and 2 comma 4 also the minimum edge is the 2 comma 4 is infinity. There is no edge between 2 comma 4. After choosing 1 as a middle in intermediate vectors, 2 comma 1 as an 8 as a weighted, and 1 comma 4 as 4. More than infinity, infinity is more than 8 plus 7. So there is an edge between the 2 comma 4 using 1 that we have found it, and same as well as 3 2, and we have to find all the remaining vertices using left like, and after that we are finding a2 intermediate. We are introducing the intermediate vectors as 2. For that we have to consider the a1 matrix. Like that we have to find a3 and a4. A4 is a resultant matrix when where we can find all parts, we can find where we can find the algorithm to find all paths shortest path. That is the main theme of an algorithm. Let's get into the code. I initialized an a random value infi as four nines, and and Floyd is an all is an all is an function. I initialized a graph as g which is an 2D an array. It is 2D array, and 0 5 infinity 10 infinity 0 3 infinity infinity. Infinity is there is no edge between them. After that we are calling g comma 4 is an 4 number of edges. 4 is an 4 into 4 matrix, so the iterations of that taken place is before. And we are using 3 for loops in here. And first for loop is for first C in range. C is an here 3 for loops we are using. AB is an to get in, we checking with each another, and the third one is if g of a of c plus g of c comma b is greater than g of ab. C is an intermediate vector here, and if it is greater than, this is greater than, then we get into this statement. This is a formula which we are using. If g of ab is greater, the value of g of ab is if minimum of ab comma and the intermediate vectors of suppose the in this here intermediate vectors is 1 2 3 4. We are checking with each iteration, and we are assigning, we are replacing the value of g of ab. G is a graph of initial vectors. After that, using two for loops, we are accessing and changing the infi value. If it is an infi, we are printing an end, we are changing the 999 value, 4 nines into infi. And else it is after that we are printing in particular order. For that we are using this statement in this for loop, in these two for loops. Let's run the code. See, this is an after see here the infinity has changed, infinity value has changed to 8, and here infinity same, here infinity has value changed to 4, and here the change at 0 1, there is nothing. That's it.